Hey guys, my name's David. On this episode I'll be building more raised beds. So if you've seen the previous video, a few episodes back, I built 6 raised beds on the side of my yard. And now I'm heading over to the main part of my yard. My soil is starting to go down and it's time to put in the raised beds on this side and fill this out. So first off, you can see I've got 2 raised beds. I've already finished there. These are filled with soil. And I've got 1 that I'm sitting on, 2, 3, 4 that I've just constructed. And I want to put all of those right here where all the soil is. So first I have to shovel the soil this way to make room and then fill them as I go, which is kind of a pain, but at least I'm not having to put it in a wheelbarrow. So you can see here is the final result. I've got 8 beds, big ones. These are 2x8s, or a couple boards to make a 2x8. I also have this one down here, which is 2x6. This is actually yellow cedar, which is pretty rare to find. These are all West Coast red cedar. And then I've got a couple smaller boxes here. 1, 2, and yeah, this is all filled out. There's a lot of work to move all this dirt, which is now all down there. And I also have one last big box over here. This one is a 2x10 or 2x9 or something. It's a couple smaller boards but stacked. This is an extra deep bed, and you can see everything is planted, which I will go over in another video. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and until next one, have a great day.